أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما هلك. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how my day was before, during, and after Eid celebration. Eid Mubarak to my Muslim friends and family across the globe. If you are a Christian, Eid celebration is a festive celebration that we celebrate after fasting for a month. So yeah, this day is very special as it's the first day we are breaking our fast. So we normally celebrate with friends and families. We exchange gifts, we give foods, and we eat and dine with our loved ones. So growing up, we will normally have some dates and some water in the morning. Then we will go out to go pray. But before that day, we make sure we put on our henna designs, do our hair, and make sure we look all pretty. Then on that day, we put on our best clothes. It doesn't really have to be a new clothes, just your best one. And then you go and pray. And when you come back, the food will be ready, prepared by our parents. And then we will dine with our loved ones, share some of the food to our neighbors. And then, yeah, this has been my tradition since I moved to the States. I don't have much Muslim friends here, especially where I live, but I still take the time to cook and give to my friends and my neighbors. So to prep for this day, I went to the farm to get my beef and some goat meat. On the menu, I prepared some jollof rice, some wache, and some fried rice. I also made some fried chicken, some barbecued soya chicken, and yeah, this was the day before the Eid. After going to the farm, I came back and started prepping my fried chicken. I added all my seasoning, then cover it to cook for a little bit. Then I came back to check up on it, and then I added some more water to cook it. And with the seasoning, I added some green marinade, some onion and ginger powder, some chili powder. I added some, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients down below. So with the cow meat, I'll be using this grill for my barbecue chicken. So I went ahead to start prepping some of the cow meat for my soup. So I needed this smoke for a recipe, so I started with that. Over here, I came back to check up on the chicken and it's almost done. I really don't know how I was able to cook the 3 meals. I don't know, it's just the energy. But yeah, we thank God. It was an amazing experience. Back home, my mom normally do this, and I'm kind of used to like cooking and giving it out, so it wasn't a big deal. But just doing by yourself, it's kind of tiring. But at the end of the day, you are doing it for a good cause, and there is nothing better than cooking for your loved ones. So I enjoy doing it. If you are a Muslim, how was your Eid celebration? You can comment down below how you enjoyed it and if you had a family to celebrate it with. Over here, I was frying my chicken. I used this fryer to fry, and I add some of it in the air fryer because I was in a hurry on this day and I needed to go to the grocery shop to pick up some stuff. After frying my chicken, I went ahead to cook the tomato base for the jollof rice. So I added some bell peppers, some fresh tomatoes, some cilantro, some fennel, bay leaf, clove. I added all the herbs in this because I'm not gonna add any seasoning to it. After adding all the herbs, I cover it without adding any water to it. Then I left it to cook. Yeah, I was able to film the beginning, but I couldn't finish the rest of it because I was very busy on this day and it's rained in the morning for the Eid. So after the Eid, I was in a hurry, and because I only prep for the stew base and the fried chicken, I had to cook everything on the Eid day and I had to distribute it that same day. I forgot to video the next day. This was the final look. Everybody had some of rice, some chicken, some fried rice, jollof rice and wache. I added some spaghetti and the lettuce on the side. And yeah, this was the next day. I decided to make something for us, and of course we had to do some barbecue. And this is me going to distribute the food.